Hello, my name is Michał Marcol. I am project manager at Elplast Europe. We are producing zipper at Elplast. We have one facility in Europe and also another one in the United States. We have more than 40 production lines worldwide. The thing that differentiates Elplast from our competition is that we are always pursuing new solutions and better and more innovative zippers for our customers. This is our splicer device, which helps keep machine running all the time. This totally reduces the need of replacing the reel on a machine, so you don't have any stoppages on the line during the production. Omron plays a key role on our splicer unit in automation area. All our electric cabinet is built on Omron. Omron support is great in every way. They always give us technical support whenever we need it and support us in every step. With Omron we make it together.